Hi, today I want to share a simple idea to practice improvisation on a melody, using Bossa as an example. These exercises will help you move from playing the tune to creating your own solos. In this exercise, I play one bar of the melody and one bar of improvisation. At first, I write these short responses down and learn them like small composed solos. After writing and learning a few of these, you can stop writing and start improvising naturally with the same concept. Here, I start from the first note of the melody and improvise for 2 bars. Then, I land back on the melody for the next 2 bars, creating a 4-bar phrase. Every melody note becomes an 8th note and the melody stays in its original place. I simply fill the space between the melody notes with more 8th notes. This is a great way to practice improvising directly onto them. That's all for today. I hope these exercises will inspire you to explore improvisation. All the written examples are in the free PDF linked below. Try them out and over time replace your written solos with your own improvisation.